Hello and welcome to another video. Today we'll be looking at how you can trade V75 with ultra evasive Grail Hedge strategy. Okay, I'm trying to place pending orders right now, and I'm using the smallest lot size, which is 0.001, and I'm placing it at that level, 95800 mark. Okay, so I'm setting a sell limit right now at 9580. I have a buy stop there, and I'm also having a sell limit there. So your buy stop and sell limit is placed above price point. So when you have your buy stop and sell stop above price, you expect price to go up and trigger the levels, the pending orders, just like what we have on the screen. You expect price to trigger the buy stop and sell stop around here. Okay, price just triggered it. It's just been triggered by price, and I have two running trades. I have my buy trade, that's my buy trade, and I have my sell trade, Okay, remember the pending orders have been turned to running orders right now. My balance currently is 236.29. Okay, trades are running. All right, so my I have two trades. There's a buy trade, there's a sell trade. Okay, they're both running currently. What I want to do now is to set the edge pending order. Edge pending order, and the spacing for the edge pending order to each running trade will be 3,920 points. Okay, I'll be setting a buy stop for my sell running order. I'll be setting a sell stop for my buy running order. Okay, and the spacing is going to be exactly 3,920 points away. Okay, this my sell stop. Okay, and this is my buy stop. All right, my sell stop is reacting. It's going to react to my buy trade, and my buy stop is going to react to my sell running trade. Okay, now I'm setting take profit and stop loss. Take profit is 2,500 points, around 2,500 points. Stop loss will be around 6,620 points. But what just happened is my take profit for my sell trade just got triggered. Okay, and my sell running order is no longer there, so I deleted the buy trade. Okay, my sell running order was around here, and the take profit has been triggered. So I have just two running trades, and if you see what's happening, my buy trade, my buy stop, my pending order has just been triggered as well. So I have two running trades, the edge trade, the original trade, and the edge trade. The edge trade has been triggered and it's now running, so I'll need another edge trade. Okay, I'll need another edge trade. I have a sell trade running, and I have the edge turned to a buy. I have a buy trade running, and then I have the edge responding to the buy trade, which is a sell stop, turned to a sell trade. The lot size for the buy trade is 0.001, while the lot size for the edge trade is 0.003. So I'll need another edge trade, which is uh, my second edge pending order, to be 0.008, and that's going to be a buy stop. I'll be placing the buy stop somewhere around here. Okay, in case price decides to go up, and then create some kind of drawdown on my account. Okay, currently the drawdown is 1.87. I'm setting stop loss for the running trades. Okay, right now my balance has increased to 239.40 because of the initial take profit that got triggered at the start of this trading session. I'm setting take profit. Take profit is 2,500 points. Stop loss is 6,620 points. Okay. As price approach break even, my drawdown is expected to reduce. Okay, but as price goes away from my take profit, my drawdown balance is expected to increase. So the more uh, the more the range in price, the more the pending orders I'll set. But I'll stop at the third hedge pending order. At the third hedge pending order, lot size will be 0.024. But what I'm placing right now, the pending order I'm placing right now, is 0.008, which is the second hedge pending order. The reason I'm placing this second hedge pending order is for me to break even. If price decides to go up. It's for me to break even if price decides to go up. So I'm setting the take profit 2,500 points. I'm also setting the stop loss for the pending order, which is around 6,620 points. Right now you can see how price have moved away from the base. I was expecting price to get to the lower point, but it has moved away. Now we have my pending order around here. Okay, the take profit is around here. So if price triggers this pending order around here, I will expect price to go up, and then I'll have break even around here. But for now, we have a range, and with the range, it appears as if price is gonna go down. So Grail strategy is a strategy you can use to recover from drawdown. You can also combine trend lines, like a trend line, ascending trend line around there. My ascending trend line is my ascending trend line. Okay, and it's like a channel. Okay, price is going up. Okay, so if price does not trigger my take profit and stop loss around here, then I'll expect it to trigger the take profit and stop loss around here. So it's either here or here. Price will eventually go in one direction, and I'll expect to break even in any direction price goes. Right now, price is attempting to break my ascending trend line. My ascending trend line around here. Price is just attempting to break it, but we may possibly have uh, a rejection. Okay, the price may go up. Okay, if it goes up, it will definitely trigger my pending orders. For now, we'll continue to monitor what price is doing. Is price gonna trigger the take profit and the stop loss around here, or is price gonna trigger our pending order? The second hedge pending order here at 3,920 points above. Right now, price is trying to trigger take profit around here, but the current 5 minutes candle is still on. It may end up as a solid bar, or it may form a pin bar and then go up, as the case may be. So we can see that the price has closed, and we have a wick, a candle wick, a small candle wick around here. Okay, which is like a rejection by the buyers. Okay, trade at the buyers are trying to push price up. So a critical resistance level. Okay, it's our pending order. It's our pending order. It can be triggered any moment from now if price goes up, or we can have a break even and a close of these two uh, running trades. So as I was saying, a critical level is here. A break of this level, if price should push above this level, we'll see price triggering our pending order at that level. So if the price goes breaks this level or breaks the upper level, either case we are here and here as two possible breaks of this current candle. If the current candle breaks the resistance here, it will head and trigger depending on here. But if it breaks the support around here, it's gonna trigger and give us break even around here. So either the case, we'll continue to monitor what price is doing. Now the current candle is reacting around our ascending trend line. This is our ascending trend line, is reacting around it, so we may end up having something like this at the end of the day. So but we continue to monitor what price is doing. Continue to monitor what price is doing. We can see price is forming another week. It's a week, but the current candle is still on. It's not completely formed yet. So still have like less than 3 minutes for the current candle to close. So anything can still happen. That's a descending trend line. You can see a descending trend line being drawn. Descending trend line being drawn around there. So we expect price to also try to react. Expect price to try to react to the descending trend line in that manner. So anything can happen. Our ascending trend line has been broken around here. Okay, so meaning price may head this way, but on the other hand, we could have price turning up to trigger our our buy stop. Anything can happen, but for now we have a bearish candle, another bearish candle. If this particular candle forms a solid bearish candle, then we can see price going downward. So we need to continue to monitor how price action unfolds. Continue to monitor how price action unfolds. We can see what is happening. It's almost getting to our break even, take profit, stop loss level. It's almost there. Price almost there. You can see we are at break even already. Our drawdown turned blue, and then there is no profit, there is no loss, but probably we have a little profit. You can see a candle wick being formed, showing that the buyers are trying to reject price at that support level. Buyers are trying to form a support at that point, which means price may break this ascending trend line if the buyer force increases. The candle has closed, and we have the formation of a wick. Okay, which means price may go up. Let's see what happens. If the bearish or the seller's strength is more than that of the buyers, price might drop below the low of the last candle, of the last 5 minutes candle. But let's continue to monitor and try to see what price, which direction price might head to. I was expecting price to form a solid candle around here, but rather price is forming a wick, this candle wick across that support level, which means buyers might capitalize on that and then take price up. But buyers will be having some level of resistance around here. Let's see if the buyers can push it up to these resistance points. We are still on a 5 minutes time frame, and we are using Grail Edge strategy. We've been able to secure some profit at the beginning of the session, but what we are now trying to do is to close out the running trades at break even or with some profit, as the case may be. trying to close out some profit if possible, or we're trying to close out with a little profit or at break even as the worst case scenario. Right now, price is trying to uh, break above our descending trend line. You can see the buyers showing some level of strength, trying to break our descending trend line. Like I said, our initial resistance will be here. Okay, another resistance will be here. So if price gets as high as this point to trigger our buy stop, and if it triggers our buy stop, we expect price to continue to this level to close out our trades at breakable and with some profit. Okay, what we are just looking at some kind of bullish engulfing. If this current candle closes as close as it is, we have a bullish engulfing and price might end up going up. Well, let's see. We have a clean break above the descending trend line, and we can see price is approaching the initial resistance area. This resistance area is being approached. Let's see how price will react at that level. Okay, you can see a clean break of price. You can see a clean break of price above that resistance level. I can see a tall candle, bullish candle, okay, which shows the strength of the buyers. Okay, when you see this kind of price action, you should know that the buyers are in control and price will go up. Look at how the candle closed. The 5-minute candle closed with a long candle showing that the buyers are in charge. We have a long candle here, another long candle here. Long candle, I mean, longer than the other candles around. Okay, and we have a current long bullish candle showing that the buyers are in charge. Let's see what happens. Let's see if we have our break even soon or not. So the buy stop order has been triggered, and we have 3 running trades. So I will not put the remaining edge trade because uh, I already know that it is clear and obvious that price will go up, since we can see the strength of the candles. We have longer green candles on the screen. What I just did now is to put an ascending trend line. Then I'll just zoom out for us to see that the buyers are trying to retrace price upward. That's a descending trend line being drawn on the screen, showing how buyers are able to break above the descending trend line, made a retest, and then push price up. And you can see price is going up. I might have my break even sooner than expected. As price approaches, my take profit and stop loss level. price is approaching, might take profit and sell stop loss level. So there's no need to place the sell stop order. There's no need to place the remaining sell stop order because it is obvious on the screen that the buyers are in charge. Uh, Looking at the three long green candles on the screen, on the 5 minutes time frame, it shows the strength of the buyers. The buyers are in charge and they are going to take price higher. So I will expect the buyers to take price as high as 962,000 level before we can see a drop in price. So the sellers are trying to push price downward, but the red candles, I won't expect any long red candle right now. What I'll be seeing more is longer green candles, which will show that the bulls, the buyers are in charge. Longer green candles. Currently, we have 3 running trades. We have a sell trade and 2 buy trades. We have 0.001 as the first buy trade. We have 0.003 as the uh, first sell trade, which was a sell stop order that was triggered and turned into a running sell order. Then we have the uh, second edge trade, which was a buy stop order that is currently turned to a buy order of 0.008. I will have put the last and remaining edge trade, which is a sell stop, which is supposed to be a sell stop order of 0.024. If I notice that price may still uh, turn downwards, but as I see the chart right now with the price action, I know definitely that price will go up because the bulls are currently in charge, judging by the longer green candles on the screen. So what I'm seeing is a form of retracement. Okay, seeing a form of retracement. Price is trying to go up. Uh, so I expect price to go up and then close my trades for me to have a break even. So for Grail strategy, you set pending orders and one gets triggered. Set buy stop, sell stop, pending orders. One of the pending orders gets triggered, and then you start to hedge. But for ultra evasive Grail strategy, which is the advanced Grail strategy, you set both buy and sell pending orders, which is above price, buy stop and sell limit. Below price, sell stop and buy limit. You set it above and below price. And when a set of orders gets triggered, you start to manage by first of all taking profit of one of the triggered orders. Take profit on it, then start to use Grail strategy to manage the order, the remaining order that is in loss. Okay, start to use Grail strategy to manage the remaining order that is in loss, that has not been closed in profit, and then you expect it to break even. At the break even, you walk away with profit. You have your first initial closed profit, and then the little profit you get from the break even. Right now, the sellers are trying to uh, take price down, but I know the buyers are in control and they can push price up at any time. If the buyers push price up, my trades will close. My trades will close uh, uh, in break even, and then the trade session will be over. But for now, I'll have to do some waiting to see what happens at the end of the day. Okay, we can see the current candle is leaving a week, and then showing that the buyers have stepped in again and they're pushing price up. The buyers have stepped in, they're leaving out a week, showing their strength, and they're pushing price up. If price gets to the top, it will close out by trades, and then the session will be over. Current candle is giving us a clue with a long wick showing the buyer's strength. We have less than a minute for the current candle, 5-minute candle to close. If it's closed as it is currently, then we can see the next candle going up. Okay, the current candle just closed bullish. Okay, so uh, let's now observe what is going to happen. We're going to see bullish price move upward, or price may retrace. Are we going to see price retracing, or a bullish price move upward? Let's try and observe what can happen. Okay, we can see price going up, and I'm at break even, and price is heading upward, trying to give me some break even. Am I gonna have a break even? Am I gonna close with a profit as price ranges? Am I gonna have a break even? It appears I'm gonna have a break even. We can see the bull strength. We can see the buyers pushing price upward. Is about to happen. I can see some profit. 1.5 1 oh that's it. That's it. All the trades have closed out. All the trades have closed out in profit. That's it. That's the way it works. I started with 236. Made around $3 at the beginning. Now I've closed with an additional around $5. Okay, no, around $3. So leaving me with $242 at the end of the trade session. So that's ultra evasive Grail Edge strategy for you. That's ultra evasive Grail Edge strategy for you. You make profit at the beginning, you also close with some profit at the end. Don't forget to click the subscribe button for this channel. Click the subscribe button if you want to see more of our videos. Click the like button if you like what happened. You can see the profit. The first $3.11 was the first profit at the beginning of the trade session, and look at how the break even happened. Okay, ending up with $6.56 at the end of the trade session. So go ahead and click the like button if you like what you see. Click the notification button, a bell button below the video for you to see more updates. I'll be updating you on how to use the ultra evasive Grail Edge strategy to make profit when trading volatility 75 index. Okay, don't forget to drop comments, ask questions if you are not clear with any part of the video. You can also go to our website www.binfxtrader.com to see more of our videos. You can also go to another website of ours, fxfables.com, to see more of our videos. So till I come your way next time, is bye for now.